In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the DJI app on Android. Before we dive into the steps, it's important to know which DJI app you need. DJI uses different apps depending on your device. The most common DJI app is DJI Fly. This app is essential for controlling popular drones like the Mini, Air, and Mavic series. However, there's a crucial point to note here. The DJI Fly app is no longer available on the Google Play Store, so you'll need to follow a different method to get it on your Android device. Let's get started with downloading the DJI Fly app using the official method. First things first, open your browser. I recommend using Chrome for this process. Once your browser is open, navigate to the DJI's official download page. You can do this by typing in the web address dji.com/download/DJI app/DJI Now that you're on the official download page, you'll see an option to download the app for Android. This will download the app as an APK file directly to your device. An APK file is a package file format used by the Android operating system for the distribution and installation of mobile apps. At this point, we need to make sure your device is set up to allow the installation of apps from unknown sources. This step is crucial because it ensures that your device can install apps that aren't from the Google Play Store. On your phone, go to Settings, then tap on Security or Privacy depending on your device's settings. Here, you need to enable the option for installing unknown apps. Make sure you enable this for the app you use to download the APK, such as Chrome or the Files app. With that ready, it's time to install the app. Locate the downloaded APK file on your device. It's often found in your Downloads folder. Tap on the file to open it, then tap on Install. The installation process will begin, and you may need to wait a few moments for it to complete. Once finished, your DJI Fly app is ready to use. A word of caution here. For your safety, always download DJI apps directly from the DJI official website. Avoid downloading from random APK sites. These sites can host fake or malicious apps that could harm your device. This step is important because it keeps your device secure and ensures you have the authentic app. Now you're all set to enjoy flying your DJI drone with the DJI Fly app on your Android device. Remember, following these steps carefully ensures that the app installs correctly and safely. Thank you for watching, and happy flying!